Hi everyone, welcome to the House Mouse collaboration, where each month on the first of the month at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, which is New York time in case anyone's confused, I think there are 6 of us, including me, that post a House Mouse something project, I'll call it. Can be cards, could be tags, could be anything that people want. I think most of us do cards, but not always. And the idea is just to use house mouse stamps, which we all adore. And just a reminder that this collaboration is being done. We actually were going to do it anyway, but we are dedicating this year's worth of collaborations to Gracie21, who was a crafty friend here on YouTube who passed away, I believe it was in November of 2020, after a long struggle with a really nasty disease. Anyway, I'll leave it at that. I don't know all the details and particulars. I was a friend, but not as close as some others were, and I just thought she was a beautiful person inside and out. And yeah, anyway, so this is dedicated to her. This is for February, so it's February 1st when this is airing. I am recording way in advance. So I made 2 cards. I made them a little different style than I usually do. The first card I'm going to show you uses this house mouse stamp. It's called Mud Pie and Amanda, and it's called Heartfelt Chocolates. It's with Mud Pie and Amanda, Heartfelt Chocolates. And this was from a 2018 Ellen Jarecki Happy Hoppers house mouse design. So I think I got this, honestly I'm not sure. It doesn't have a Tuesday morning sticker, so I probably got this online somewhere. And I was getting them at various different places. So, oh, they're made in the USA. I like them even better now. So with that, let me show you the first card. I made a 6x6 card. I wasn't crazy about how it turned out. First I colored the mice in, and this time I went a little different. I used my Stampin' Up! Watercolor pencils, but I didn't use watercolor. I used both sets. So I used Real Red, which turned out, I don't know why, but it looks like Poppy Parade more to me. Calypso Coral for the little ears and feet, and Flirty Flamingo. I think I just saw a spot I missed. Whoopsie. Early Espresso and Cajun Craze? Crushed Curry for the chocolates. The inside of the chocolates were crushed curry with a little Early Espresso on them. And then the wrappers, I thought it looked like peanut butter cups. So that's supposed to be like the peanut butter, and these are the chocolate wrappers, and then they have little crumblies all over. And so that's what I did. I did miss a little bit of his ear. Son of a gun. Here's the gray. Let's fix that. Well, no, I'll do it later. And then to blend it out a little bit, I used Stampin' Up's blender pens, which are not the same as the Stampin' Blends, which are alcohol markers. These just help blend your watercolor, your pencils, so that they don't look so streaky. So I did some of that, and they come in a pack of 3, and I believe they're in the annual catalog by Stampin' Up! And their number 102845, and these are numbers 141709 for set 1 and 149014 for set 2. There's quite a selection of colors there. I did use non-Stampin' Up! Dies. I used this largest heart, which is a Sizzix set. Here's the number 657562. I have no idea whether anything, as far as non-Stampin' Up!, I have no idea whether anything is still available from anywhere, because I am not sponsored by or paid by anybody but Stampin' Up! And yeah. So This is Poppy Parade. I needed 12 by 12 red paper, and that's what I had. It's like this. So here's the other half of that sheet of paper. So it's sort of an orangey red, which I thought would go alright with this, what was supposed to be real red. And then the paper I used this time was out of See, use these first, 2021. I actually have 2 of these open. I think it was out of this one. Pretty sure. Anyway, it might have been the last one in this no, here it is. It's this sheet here with all the different little hearts on it. And there's flowers on the back, but I thought because it's like an all over pattern, it wouldn't matter if the red didn't exactly match. And then these are also Simple Stories, all of these stickers, but there I have one sheet of Love and Adore. Is that what this is? Yeah, this is the Love and Adore paper pad 6x6. I might have gotten these from Peachy Cheap or something because I have the whole set. I have bits and pieces and then the stickers. So I used a few of these hearts. One flower, and then a cup, just the one sentiment on here that says "So Happy Together" because I thought they were cute together. So that is what I used for that. And then I think that's it on the front. And then I don't know on the inside. I just put a piece of, oh, and this is Whisper White behind here, which is retired probably by now. Stampin' Up! Now has basic white, but at the time I'm making this I still have Whisper White, so that's what I use, and that's cut 5 3/4 by 5 3/4, and this is just an extra strip of this paper because I cut it down from 6 to 5 1/2 all the way around. So I have another piece that goes across, but I only put the one in. So that is my first card using Heartfelt Chocolates. Okay, so now the second card, I used this one, which is because our theme, oh, I forgot to tell you we have a theme each month, and this time the theme is Be My Valentine. Yes, Be My Valentine. So Be Mine, Love, and XO are on it, and this is Mud Pie laying on the pile of the sweet little hearts there. And I put stickers on when I select them for the year. I'm leaving them on inside the package on the cling part, just because that way if I go to use them again, I'll know, like maybe next year or something, if we do this next year. I'm not too sure yet, but anyway, if we do, then I'll try and pick something different if I have anything different. But at least I'll know, hey, you used that last year, because I forget. I honestly forget. So here's the card. I like this one better. This one is colored with Stampin' Blends by Stampin' Up, and it's in Purple Posy, Highland Heather, Magenta Madness, Flirty Flamingo, Melon Mambo, and I think that's it. No, and Rococo Rose. And then the Mousy is done in Petal Pink, Light and Dark, Little Flirty Flamingo right on the tip of his nose. And I used Gray Granite this time, which is like a brown gray. And yeah, so there's, who did I say it was? Mud Pie? Yeah, Mud Pie. Mud Pie sure likes his sweets, huh? He's laying on all these candies, and he just had chocolate. He's gonna have a bellyache, that little belly there, big belly there. Now these are from, oh, hang on, they're not Stampin' Up either. I couldn't find any big enough, and these actually aren't even quite big enough. These are the largest 2 of these dies, and they are by Gina Marie Designs, and I've had them also for a while, probably a year or 2, I don't know, 2 years I think. It doesn't say on there what the date was, and I didn't write it on here. Anyway, That's what I use. They're like loopy rectangles or something, I guess I'd call them. I forget what she called them. And then this paper actually was out of a different paper pad, which I don't think I have out here anymore. Oh wait, let me see. It was out of this Recollections Valentine's Day. It was left over from some other cards I made in January with the lovely lady. So if you saw that, you would have recognized that paper. This paper is out of the same Love and Adore. It's actually this piece here, which is like an ombre effect, and I have it dark, medium, light going that way. My cat is snoring in the background. I'm so sorry. She's wheezing. She does that. So I bumped this up on dimensionals. This is a sticker out of Hello Love by Crate Paper. I tend to like this sort of brighter pink, but not real deep pink. I don't know. And then these hearts I put on are from the Paper Studio. Excuse me. Sorry about that. So the color, the paper, this paper is, I've had in my stash and it was unopened. It's actually from Simon Says Stamp. The color is Cotton Candy CC16. It is a nice heavy paper. I don't know if that's still available or not, or if there's new colors now. I just really am not sure. So anyway, I just put the sticker on here and bumped that up on dimensionals, and I used the Stampin' Up Pick-a-Punch banners, banner Pick-a-Punch 153608. Still available as of the date of publishing, as far as I know, as of time of this recording, which is much earlier than February 1st. And I think on the inside I just used another sticker that says Love Always and put the ombre that went this way sideways, because I didn't have any other pieces of paper that really matched, and I just liked the way it looked. So those are my 2 cards for House Mouse for February 1st. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope Grace is happy that we're doing this in her honor. And these are cute little mice, aren't they? I don't want them in my house because they'll be after all my food, but they're cute in, you know, stamps. So yeah, gotta love our little house mice. All right, please go check out the other participants in the collaboration who are linked down below. And we hope to see you back on March 1st to see what we come up with then. And I don't remember what the theme is off the top of my head right now, so you'll just have to come back and see. All right, everyone, have a lovely day. Happy February, and we'll talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.